All right, so let's start step number 6 of the roadmap. For the course, The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During Recession. It's going to focus around resolve financial problems process. Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Hey, download the mini course by clicking the link given and be sure to watch this video right now so I can show you exactly how people just like you are using this strategy to quickly accomplish their goal with content marketing and improve their ways to build wealth during recession. Without how to survive during recession, how to find out the best investments during recession, and finding the best ways to prepare themselves mentally. And just so you know, you are in the right place. I want to underscore that this strategy reflects the exact system we have used to help countless restaurants, bars, technology, retail industry, and job-oriented people quickly and predictably accomplish their goal with content marketing and achieve their ways to build wealth during recession. In short, this is what's working right now. So let's dig in. So let's discuss the problems. As you might be aware, trying to accomplish your goal with content marketing is ultimately a skill to learn and not to panic during recession. To be prepared for the worst and make the best out of this time is a major problem for many job-oriented people, retail industry, restaurants, bars, and technology worldwide. The ways to build wealth during recession space is absolutely flooded with courses, coaches, and hype, all promising to help us get results, but ultimately only adding to our overwhelm and frustration. Just about every day, I hear the same questions from folks trying to accomplish their goal with content marketing. What are the hidden secrets of digital marketing? Where can I learn digital marketing? How can I succeed in lead conversion? And countless other questions I hear all the time. The fact is, there are only 3 main reasons why retail industry, job-oriented people, restaurants, bars, and technology struggle to accomplish their goal with content marketing. That is how to survive during recession, how to find out the best investment during recession, finding the best ways to prepare yourself mentally. Do these sound familiar? In all of my experience serving and talking with job-oriented people, retail industry, restaurants, bars, and technology, I hear these 3 struggles and pains all the time. But these are only symptoms of a much greater issue. The real issue is lack of a clear point A to point B system that is easy to follow. A clear roadmap that's been proven to help people just like you accomplish your goal with content marketing in no time flat. But you need to take some steps. So this is where our understand digital marketing system comes in. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. The first thing students on this path have to do is to learn, and internet is a very good source to learn about the hidden secrets of digital marketing. Step 2. You can take online classes on Udemy, for example. Step 3. The last step in this understand digital marketing system is learning how those who are successful actually make it happen. This is just step number 6 in our The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During the Recession. And is the clearest and most predictable and proven system for anyone serious about doing what it takes to achieve his ways to build wealth during recession. Learn the ways to build wealth during recession and learn not to panic during recession. Be prepared for the worst and make the best out of this time. So I can understand stage 1 is fear. First, we will utilize the lazy man's way to find out how to generate income during recession course that helps folks just like you to speed up the process of reaching your financial goals by learning about passive income secrets. Next, our lazy man's way to find out how to generate income during recession course will help you start your own business process and ensure that you will have many different options to choose from for starting your own passive income stream. And after that, you will understand the significance of investing and how it can help you during recession using our Learn to Invest frameworks. The Resolve Financial Problems process will ensure success as you will learn the ways through which you can create passive income source during recession. The core mechanism for ensuring you can make an effort to keep your debt to income ratio low is our Learn Survival Skills system. The last step in the learn stage is to customize and our understand digital marketing process, which shows you how to accomplish your goals with content marketing each and every day like clockwork. So it's time for enjoyment, folks. Once the lazy man's way to find out how to generate income during recession course has your fear and learn in place, we'll kick off the enjoy stage by building out your beneficial platform system that allows you to learn about the beneficial platforms to 3x your income during recession fast. Next up, our course, The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During Recession, will put your attention on enhancing your abilities, accumulating additional accomplishments, and creating profitable hobbies so you can put all of these things in your resume. This unique model is called Avoid Blunders. The final step of our Lazy Man's Way to find out how to generate income during recession online course is to ensure our students are able to apply this learning in their daily life to generate income during recession using the Reap the Benefit system. Time for action. So if you want to get crystal clear on the exact steps you should be following right now to achieve your ways to build wealth during recession goals, download this complimentary course right now and go through it. In just a very short time, you will get clear on what's holding you back. Next, we will map out a crystal clear step-by-step strategy you can follow to achieve your ways to build wealth during recession goals with confidence in the next 30 days. By following the strategies you learn in this online course. Please note, this course is only for you if you are the type of person who understands it is time to take advantage by enhancing the contributions or starting dollar cost averaging in a non-qualified investment account, or who wants to benefit from investing in real estate, is actively seeking support and wants to learn about passive income ideas requiring an upfront monetary investment, will commit himself to learn about methods available to him for making money during recession. If that is you, then click the link and download this complimentary mini course. Thank you.